Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hoyt here with Whitetail Ridge Outdoors, and standing next to me is Mr. Hunter Mead. Hunter is actually the lucky winner that had won our youth turkey hunt contest. We had put that there on our Facebook page and ran a little giveaway there for about 15 days, and his name ended up being the one that got drawn. Not only did he win a youth turkey hunt with WRO staff, but he also got a few goodies to boot with it. As you can see, one thing that he's holding is actually a 20 gauge 301 Stevens. It's got a red dot on top, a full choke on the end of it. That's one item that he had actually won for this giveaway. Also, what I'm holding is a Tacticam 6.0. It's a video camera. He'll be able to put that on the end of his barrel, put it on his chest, his head, whatever he wants to do for future hunts of his when nobody else is around recording. He might be able to get him a few things of himself. One other thing, of course, is the old WRO hat. Got our merch that he's rocking now, and I think it fits him pretty well. But other than that, though, guys, I think Hunter's pretty ecstatic and excited for this hunt. What do you think, Hunter?
Ready.
You ready?
Yep.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and click on off here, and let's get to the hunt. Hopefully Hunter can knock him down a bird this weekend. What do you say?
Ready.
All right, buddy. We'll see y'all guys in a little bit. Go get him, buddy. Get that bird. What do you think about that, old son? Huh?
Higgins.
Put on a show for you, didn't he? They're about head right there. Pick him up. And you hammered him. Oh man, what a bird. Turn around there. Let's look at that beard. Look at that. He about to shot his beard off with that shotgun. Look there. What a brush. Man. What do you think, Hunter?
Well, we heard him, and he came in. Yeah.
Don't know what to think, do you, buddy?
No, having fast.
He come running in to fight them decoys, didn't he?
Yeah.
Put on a perfect show. Had some hens in here yelping, going on. He's a tom in here with them hens, and we had a Jake and hen decoy set up here in the field, and that's all he wanted. He didn't want that Jake around his hens, did he?
No.
Man, what a bird. Beautiful hunt. Look at that. Well guys, as you can see, old Hunter got done this morning. Had a beautiful hunt this morning. This old Tom, he had a couple hens with him, and we got these decoys set up, and he got in probably about 100 yards from him on roost, and he was gobbling a whole bunch this morning. Flew down probably 80 yards from us and stayed over there strutting for a little while. Wasn't sure if he's gonna break from them hens, but got to calling back and forth and whatnot with them, and he finally kind of shut up, and as you guys seen, he come strutting right on out this cattle trail that's right here, and once he spotted these decoys, it was over after that, wasn't it, buddy?
Yeah.
He got about half strut and come running right on out here and got on these decoys, and old Hunter, he didn't wait long, did you, buddy? You went ahead and knocked him down with that old 20 gauge you got there. This is the 20 gauge that Mr. Hunter had actually won for this youth hunt turkey giveaway, and he got to try it out right on the first day of youth Virginia turkey season. What do you think about this hunt, buddy?
Well, it was fun. Didn't take long. He just came running in. Smoked him.
Yep. Yeah, he's a nice mature tom. Got a big old beard on him, some good hooks. Probably a 2-year-old bird, I'd say. And he put on a quick little show for us, and Mr. Hunter here got it done. We at WRO here really want to get the youth hunters out here and get them out in the woods and let them experience the outdoors, and we couldn't be thankful enough for this big turkey this morning, and everything worked out. He won a hunt, got him a gun and everything, and even got him a big old tom to add to it. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna go ahead and hop on off here, get this bird off the mountain, but appreciate you guys watching. I know Hunter's on cloud 9, and can't wait to call his old mama there and let her know. Atta boy. Atta boy.
Good boys.
Get that bird, buddy. You thumped him, didn't you? Look at that. Get everybody's head there, pick him up. Big old mountain bird. Come in perfect, strutting. Love them decoys, didn't you? Look at that little beard right there. That's wild. It's long and it ain't thick, is it? Well. Ghetto bird. What do you think about that, buddy?
I like it.
Huh?
So I like it.
Heck yeah, man.
Foot's asleep.
Foot's asleep.
Yeah.
Oh, what a bird. He come in perfect right to them decoys, didn't he? Well guys, as you can see, that hunt this morning went pretty quick. We got on one bird this morning. He was by himself up above this little high wall here, and he was gobbling on the roost quite a bit. We had set some decoys out, got a Jake decoy and a hen decoy set out here in this road, and made a few calls to him back and forth between me and my dad, and he kept answering to us and flew down, but instead of flying down by us, he landed up there close to where he was roosted. And he was probably 200 yards or so, I'm gonna say, up on the hillside, and he kept gobbling, and he got a little closer, but not too much. And finally he kind of shut up there for a little bit, and I said, well, maybe he's gonna start coming in. And next thing I knew, I seen him out the road here in a bend about 100 yards or so, and he come running right over here, seen these decoys, come strutting in all the way up to the decoys. Mr. Luke here, he made a perfect shot on him, hit him right in the head, right where he's supposed to, knocked him straight down. Beautiful hunt. He come in here picture perfect, strutting around these decoys, and wanted to put on a little show for us. And Luke here milked it a little bit, let him get up here and put on a nice show for you guys. So that was real nice and pretty. What do you think, Luke?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's 12 gauge is a little bit of a kick, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, with them 3-inch shells. But he used my papa's gun this morning, and I've used it for a few years now, and it's been used for a lot. But I let him borrow it this morning. He waylaid this big tom with it, so got him down. This tom did have a little bit of beard rot. It's pretty wild. You can see what little bit he's got left right there. It's probably 7 or 8 inches or so. Most of it's about gone. I thought Luke might have actually shot it off, but it's actually just some beard rot that he had, for whatever reason. But awesome hunt, beautiful turkey. Couldn't have had it more perfect coming into them decoys, and I believe old Luke's happy. What do you say, buddy?
I say I'm happy.
All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this little hunt here. We're gonna go ahead and get this bird off the mountain and see if we can't get on another one here in a week or two when the adult season comes in. Hope you had a good youth weekend, old buddy. See you guys later.